What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about classing objects, right? What is a class? But before we start, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. All right, what is a class? Okay, a class is a data structure that may contain data members, constants and fields, functions, members, methods, property, events, indexes, operators, instance, constructor, final, oh, etc. Right? Oh yeah, okay. So that's what is a class. So there is something in here on. Let me see. Let me open up really quick. Example of a class and an object and W3 school right here. So classes and objects are two main aspects of object-oriented programming, right? Look at this illustration. It's pretty simple to understand. It's a class. We got fruit. Objects are apple, banana, mango. There's another example to understand a lot better. A class could be a car, and then the objects could be Volvo, Audi, Toyota. Yeah, and we can create objects inside. We can create objects. Objects are instances of a class. So let's take a look some of the examples so we can understand a lot better this. Okay, I have my Visual Studio open, my IDE. So let's go ahead. Let's create a class over here. Let's see. Let's just do right click. Let's see. Let's create a class. So let's put it by the name. Let's create by the name employee, and then let's add that. And here we go. Here we go. So let's just do this public. Okay, we got a class. So a class, it has fields, it has properties, it has methods, and it has events. Okay, so we're going to create some properties for this class. For the employee class, we're going to say string public. We're going to say public a string. We're going to say name. Okay, let's create another one. Public a string, and we're going to say this one position, semicolon, and then we're going to do a couple more. Public, we're creating some properties right here. We're going to say public, let's do age, public int, let's just do age, and let's just do public, and let's just do salary right here, and we can just do double for that, but yeah, let's just do int, and then let's create a method right here. Public void, let's create a method right here. Let's just say information, just like that. And right here we're going to say console. Okay, and here I want to say I am the best employee ever. Okay, cool. So now we have this class. Right now let's go to our main program right here. Let's get rid of that right here, and let's create our object right here. So we're going to say employee, and let's create a variable name. So we get a using class and objects too. Okay, that's cool. We're going to have a name. Let's put the name employee for the variable name. So and then we're going to do new employee. Okay, cool. Now that's our object. We use the keyword new pan right there, and then we use the class name, which is employee. And right here we're going to use invoke all the properties that we have in that class employee. So let's do employee that what is the name first? name, let's just put right here name, let's put right here Pastor, which is Pastor Smith. I don't know why do I put my name like that with the Smith. Let's just do it again. Employee, that, what was their position we got right there, and we're going to say right here, what do you want to be, a programmer? Let's just do programmer. Okay, cool beans. Now next, let's just do employee, that we're going to do age, right? Is that age? Yeah, let's just do age. Are you 30? Yeah, let's just do 30 right there. That's what it's suggesting. Now we're going to do employee, that, what is the next one? Salary. Okay, how much do you want to do a year? That would be so nice. Let's just do a dream number right here, $500,000 a year. Man, that would be so nice, man. 1 year, then I'll retire. uh Now, so let's create a public void. Let's create a method right here, information, and right here we're going to say console. We're going to say I am the best employee ever, something like that. So it looks like it doesn't like something right here. Oh no, yeah. Oh no, actually, you know what? I am doing this wrong, 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 wrong. So I already did this. What I'm doing this? I'm getting confused. I already have that in here. Our method. Anyway, okay, cool. What I'm trying to do is use that method. Let's invoke that method right here. That, what is it? Information. That's what I was trying to do. Sorry for my mistake. And right here we're going to say console. That right. And we're going to say the following. We're going to say we're going to use a string interpolation, dollar sign, quotation marks, and then we're going to say my name my name is, and then open curly braces, and then we're going to say employee. Oh man, that name, my name is blah blah. I was going to say Pastor Smith, and I am, what is the name was? Oh, and I am a programmer. To say employee, that programmer or position, and then we're going to say I am, what is it, your age, employee, that age, cool beans, and then we'll say and I make dollars per year. So we'll say employee, that salary. All right, dude, let's run the program. It should give us a very nice um, information right here. So we'll just take a second until my computer's a little bit slower. Please work, work, work. Oh yeah, it's going, it's going. And come on, come on. Okay, cool. Right here. I am the best employee ever. Okay, my name is Pastor Smith and I am a programmer and I am 30 and I make $500,000 per year. Okay, that worked. But somehow my 30 years, it is too close. Okay. I'm going to say years old. Cool, that work. If we run it again, it will work. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I am the best employee ever. Okay, cool. My name is Pastor Smith, and I am a programmer, and I am 30 years old, and I make $500,000 per year. Okay, we can create another object in here too. If you want, we can just do the following. We can just say employee. We're going to say employee, yeah, employee number two. And then we just do the same thing right here. Let's copy all of that code, and then we just add employee two, 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 and then we change the information. We'll just put maybe Pedro Garcia right here. And then is he a programmer? Let's pretend that he is a manager. A manager, a manager, manager. And here, let's pretend that he is 50. And he's making $1 million. He's making $600,000 more than this guy. And let's change over here. Oh yeah, let's just do the same thing. All right, we don't have to change anything right here. Let's just run it and see what we have. No, actually, yeah, actually we do have to change it. Let's copy all of this entire line of code and paste it right here, and then we gotta change, yeah, to two. You are correct. To two right here, two, two, and then we, is that it? Yeah, and then let's run it, and it should give me a couple employees. Maybe next time we should put ID numbers or something. Yeah, okay. So I got the first one. My name is Pastor Smith, blah blah blah, and I make that much money. Let's open this up. Okay, that worked good. And then the second one, my name is Pedro Garcia, and I am a manager, and I am 50 years old, and I make $600,000 per year. Cool. So can you tell, if you can be adding more and more objects, but can you see that this is it's going to be too much code? We're just trying to simplify it, right? So let's use a constructor. All right, let's see if I have time really quick. So let's use a constructor right here. Let's comment this out right here. Control K and C, and then let's go to our employee class, and right here we're going to say public, and then we'll say employee. Okay, cool beans, that worked. Okay, and right here we're going to pass some parameters right here. Let's just do our constructor. So it's public employee, and then we're going to say string. Let's just do full name, comma, string. What is career, or let's what position? What do we do? Work position. Yeah, work position. Okay. Then I have int year old or something like that. And then the last one is going to say annual salary. Int annual salary. Okay, annual salary, and then we gotta define this annual salary. Okay, now we gotta define it right here. So we're going to say name. Okay, full name. Okay, that's cool. It knows. Okay, it knows. Okay, age. No, age is not annual salary. You got me. You got confused right here. So age is year old. Okay, maybe this is the first time I see that it didn't get it right. Okay, cool. So we defined our constructor right here. We got our properties. We define it right here, and now let's just save it. And then when we go in our main program, oh crap, I that's going to be wrong. Yeah, I don't know why I tried to decide to run it. Let's go to our main program. Instead of, see over here is giving me the little squirrely. So what we have to do right here, we gotta pass the values and in our object right here. So let's just say right here, what did we say first? Pastor Smith. Okay, comma. We're going to say what is the next one? Position programmer. Oh no, 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 double quotes, dude. Come on, programmer. And then right here, comma, and then we just do, how old is this guy? 30, comma, and then salary. So salary is 500,000 bucks. Too many zeros? Yeah, too many zeros, right? It's like 5 million. Okay, cool, that worked. Now let's just define in the second object too. Let's just define it. So what do you say? Pedro Garcia. Oh man, why do I forget those quotations? Pedro Garcia, comma, and Pedro Garcia is a manager. It's a manager, and then comma, and then he's 50 years old, comma, and then he makes 600,000. He makes the big bucks, man. All right, and that should be it, dude. We should have the same result, but it's a lot easier this way. Let's run it using a constructor, and then pan. We got it. We got it, man. Right here. My name is Pastor Smith, and I am a programmer, and I'm 30 years old, and I make $500,000. My name is Pedro Garcia, and I'm a manager, and I make oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Sorry for that. I am 50 years old, and I make $600,000 a year. Okay, cool. That worked. That's perfect right here, man. So this is how we can use objects right here. We can create, this is a lot easier and simplify. Constructor helps you to simplify all of this bunch of code right here. And then you can add more. You can add more and more and more and more, you know. But anyway, hopefully this helped you all, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos. Yeah, we're trying to put a video every single day. Okay, have a good night. We'll see you next.